all about, getting your fitness levels up whilst you're having some fun. So the choreography is reasonably simple and then repetitive, okay? Now with the intro of this song, so if you were to listen to it on something like YouTube, Spotify, stuff like that, there's quite a taut intro, lasts a good 30 seconds, okay? So when that bit's coming on, you kind of just want to stand around and you kind of just want to sort of hold your pose in and just wait for the music to kick in, okay? When the music actually does eventually kick in and you'll hear him say, "You better work," okay? So I think let's just get the music on and give it a go, and what will be will be, eh? Let's do this from the very top.
There was a little black girl in the Brewster Projects of Detroit, Michigan. At 15, she was spotted by an ebony fashion talent scout, and her modeling career took